Hey everyone, Ryan here from Next Level Property Investing. I hope you're well. Today I want to talk about Kevin McDonnell's No Money Down Investing book. This book for me is a great read and it opens your mind to controlling strategies. Now, I'm a big fan of controlling strategy as well as my BRR model, which I use to buy my assets. No money down investing is a great way to get started in property. You know, not many people have got huge amounts of capital that they can just go and invest in property with. But even if they have, sometimes they do it wrong and the money gets stuck. But the no money down strategy is a way you can control other people's property, but use it for your gain and make it cash flow nicely for yourself. And before long, you'll be out your 9 to 5 job and you'll be earning more money than you ever dreamed of. You know, the controlling strategies is a real quick way to acquire property. When I discovered controlling strategies, I managed to acquire 21 properties in 7 months. I then topped that with 40 more properties in 6 months. It moves very, very quickly when you know what you're doing. Now, you've got various options. Kevin's book talks a lot about rent to rent, which is renting a property and then putting it into a HMO style operation. I use the rent to rent strategy and I also use the rent to serviced accommodation strategies. Both form part of my portfolio and create great cash flow, which I then use to buy more assets. So the whole thing is like a circle of just options and funding and opportunity to move your property business forward, create more and more money into your lifestyle, which takes you towards that financial freedom that most people are striving for by investing in property. So great book. If you haven't read it already, I do suggest going reading it. Now, if you click the link below, there's some free training over inside my academy. I'm going to give you inside access to my members area. There's over 80 hours worth of content in there. There's a 5-day free training course on all the property strategies, including this one, so including the rent to rent model, but I've also got other strategies in there for you as well, all about controlling and owning assets to build cash flow for yourself and ultimately get you to where you want to be. Hope it helps. Take care.